What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. We're out here at my home and we are doing some upgrades. Really, the URC system is going to be a game changer for my family. My wife has been on the struggle bus. I don't mind having 15 remotes, but she has hated it. So we are going to be doing a huge upgrade, automating this entire home, taking all 15 of my apps and putting it into one easy to use platform. But I have an older Wi-Fi system and I thought, hey, this Eero brand has been kind of dominating as far as our average consumer, kind of getting a little bit more pro side, super reliable, easy to set up Wi-Fi systems. We have hardwired mesh network with wireless controllers for large properties, like maybe saw the video of me at that 12,000 square foot home in Colorado. We used Arachnus on that property. As you're walking through the home with your iPhone or iPad, that it seamlessly connects from one AP to the next as one giant network. Eero's doing essentially the same thing. They're at a much more reasonable price point and they're for smaller homes. Like I would say 5,000 square feet is probably about the cap of where I'd recommend Eero, maybe 6,000 square feet. But they also have come out with newer models and I'm not super familiar with, so I'm excited to check them out and do an honest review on the product. This has Wi-Fi 6 built in. This is the new Eero Max 7, and this is going to go as my main router. And then I'm going to be installing some other models as well. In upcoming videos, I'll do unboxings on them, showing the process as well as running speed tests and things like that, and give you my review. I'm about to load this network down with gear, all type of automation equipment, and if it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail here. So I'd like to show it to you guys real quick and then toss it off to our awesome installers who are here at the house helping me out, getting all this put in. So first thing I notice opening this up, really clean packaging, guys. This kind of gives me like an Apple feel. Really minimalistic, looks like a recycled box. We got a completely new aesthetic. All the Eeros that I've seen in the past are kind of just these little pucks. So they definitely have some extra Wi-Fi antennas in here. Looks like they have on the back 2.5 gig and 10 gig ports. Nice, there's a USB-C too. Show it to you right here on the back of the unit. And the USB-C is actually just for power. So very minimalistic, comes with quite a bit of ventilation, so make sure you don't jam this into a rack to where it's gonna overheat. And then we have a nice little braided Cat 6 cable. Go ahead and plug that in. We have our Eero power supply, and it does have that USB-C here on it. Now guys, with this type of unboxing, there's not a whole lot to show you. Here it is, here's the product, right? But how well does it work is what you want to hear. So I'm gonna get a little B-roll, the guys throwing it in the rack and making the connections, but I'm gonna let you know my thoughts later down the road so that you can kind of see the system health and my devices and the interface, which I've been really impressed with in the past. They have a really nice app UI. But toss this off to the installers and we will get off to the races. We're down here in the rack room with John, and we're gonna be setting up the new Eero system. And I had an old Eero gateway from a couple homes back and connected it. It's been working okay, but I've been having some issues with my Zoom calls. I didn't know if it was related to my memory on my computer or this gateway, the router. So I'm gonna replace it with the new 7. We're gonna unplug the existing gateway from power. All connected devices and Eero devices will lose connectivity. Okay, so we're disconnected. You can either use the Ethernet ports on the back of your new gateway Eero device or the new one, or the old one that was supplied, but we'll use that new braided cable because it's probably like a nice Cat 6, I would assume, just to make sure we're getting a 10 gig signal. Not that I have that type of speed. Unfortunately, I'm up here in the mountains, but if I could pull 250 up and or 250 down and 50 up, I'll be happy. Plug your new gateway Eero device into an available power outlet, then reconnect your modem to power. So right now, guys, this is a 42U rack, and we're doing a whole home system. We got a lot going in here. Right now, I'm just working on the Wi-Fi, so we're just quick and dirty, basically unplugging from the Spectrum modem. What a modem does is receive the signal from the street. What we've done is put the modem, it's a modem router combo. A lot of you guys probably have this around the country. It's very popular. We put it into bridge mode, so it's not actually outputting a Wi-Fi signal. It's just taking that IP address and handing it off to our router. And the router, the new Eero 7, is doing all the heavy lifting. So we're connected now. Your new Eero device status light will start flashing white. It is flashing white. Eero would like to use Bluetooth. We're gonna allow. And sorry for this poor audio, guys. I should have this mic plugged into that camera. But just trying to get you as many angles as possible here. So you can see the phone, it's kind of doing its thing. It's looking for the Eero device. It found it. It's now gonna set up. I think it's just gonna like automatically do all the heavy lifting for us. It's just gonna remove that old one that I selected and pop this in place. And with the new Wi-Fi 6, I'm hoping it's awesome because I've heard nothing but great things about Eero. Even when they first came out, they were pretty easy, pretty good for the money. Great DIY product. But like I said, I was saying in the other room, they also have PoE versions that you can like mount to the ceiling. So getting more towards like the pro side. And I'm gonna hook up one of those kind of in the middle of the house, 25 feet up and to the left here. So that, you know, we can get all the latest and greatest of what Eero has to offer here in 2024. All right, Dream Media family, well, that is a wrap on my quick unboxing video of the brand new Eero Max 7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. Keep in mind, Dream Media is nationwide. We have installers in 28 different states. If you would like them to help you put it in, I strongly advise hiring our custom installers, or it is a pretty fairly friendly DIY product. Honestly, I've heard great things about this from my guys, and we'll be selling this on our website. Just add to cart if you want to give it a run. I really appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for tuning in today. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Drop some comments too, guys. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see that we haven't already covered on the channel. Well, until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.